Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video and of course a brand new review. If you are new here to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You get to hang out with me on a regular basis and of course it helps out the channel massively, so I really would appreciate that. With all that out of the way, let's jump straight into this pair of sneakers, and of course it is the Jordan 6 Quai 54. Now, first thing about this pair, okay, is the name. I am not even sure if they are called the Quai or the Quai or the K54, but let's just, we'll get into the name in a bit. Let's unbox the sneaker. So, here they are. The Jordan 6 K54. So, pulling them out of the box, you get some extra laces, a nice orange pair. These are wax laces, so wax treatment makes them just that little bit more premium. Yeah, I think we decided we're gonna go with K54. You know, the actual way to pronounce it, I mean, it doesn't really matter, whatever you want to call them. Jeez. The K54 and the leather. The leather on these is fantastic. This is the second colorway of the K54 Air Jordan 6. Of course, the first release we saw actually really recently. I think it was a couple weeks ago, and maybe even last week, something like that. It was super recent. And that colorway came in pretty much the same general kind of sail tannish, beige-ish kind of colorway. However, the print that the previous colorway had was kind of like this more beige-ish color. So alongside that first colorway, there was also a Jordan 1 low to drop, and that had the exact same colorway on it. It was just obviously a Jordan 1 low. I don't think a lot of people are gonna prefer it. However, I prefer it. I think it is a relatively plain sneaker with a bit of pop in this print and of course in this purple color. So I am kind of glad I passed on the first colorway in order to get this one. The Jordan 6 K54 is actually inspired or in collaboration with the annual basketball competition that is held in France. From like pictures and, you know, learning a little bit more about it, it looks really, really cool. The court is literally right underneath the Eiffel Tower and the pictures look amazing. You get the court with the stands and all the fans around it, and then you get the Eiffel Tower right in the background. I think it looks insane. Pretty much the entire left shoe is K54 branded. So this colorway releases on Nike SNKRS on the 8th of August. I got the exclusive access, so that's how I got this a little bit earlier. However, when this does release, it is going to retail for £165 or that regular $200 price tag. So jumping straight into the materials of this, and the first thing that you are going to notice is how nice the leather quality is on this Jordan 6 model. So starting off on the toe box, I mean, if you can see just me pressing into it, you're getting all of those nice buttery smooth leather wrinkles that you get when you feel a really nice leather material. Moving up from that toe box, you get to the beginning of this perforated tongue, and on top of that you get these black wax laces. So again, I am a big fan of wax style laces. I feel like they just feel a little bit more premium and definitely higher quality. And of course, if you're not a fan of this black pair, you do get an extra purple pair and an extra orange pair. Now covering those laces is this canvas purple material, with the left shoe showing that Jumpman logo and the right shoe showing that K54 branding. And of course you get the signature Jordan 6 lace lock, which this one comes in a purple color. Now the lateral and medial portions of this sneaker are obviously where it is the most crazy, coming in this really awesome print. I really like it. All kinds of rectangle shapes, lines. Generally the colorway is purple, black, blue, and that orange color, which really are only these little small dots. Now the tongue comes in pretty much an unchanged Jordan 6 tongue, and it is this texturized, really grippy rubber material. Insole, you have that same crazy purple, blue, and black and orange print that you find on the medial and lateral portions of the sneaker, which I think is a really cool touch. It just kind of adds that extra vibe to it without anybody else seeing. This kind of beige or sail color that comes on this sneaker is really, really nice, and I think they've done a really good job in just the mix of colors that you find on this sneaker. Moving over to the back of the sneaker, this is where you find that embroidered branding. Firstly, on the left pair having this Nike Air branding, and of course the right having the embroidered K54 branding. I really like this colorway, or this collaboration in general, just because of how well they put together this sneaker in terms of the materials, and the quality you get is really nice. All of the purple pattern you find on this sneaker comes in a very nice feeling canvas material mixed with this really nice feeling leather material, makes it feel very, very premium. And now as for sizing and fit, of course this is going to fit exactly the same as any other Jordan 6. Nothing is changed in that department. For me, that is true to size. Generally speaking, I mean, it might just be me that prefers this colorway to the previous or the original colorway that just released. I'm here showing you the sneaker just in case you prefer this one just like me. But that pretty much wraps it up for the review. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Of course, I will catch you in the next video, but until then.